When you search for the stackable mugs in Design Space, a lot of them only use one transfer sheet per mug. But what if you want to design with multiple colors? That's where the slice and set method comes in. In this video, I'm going to show you while I make these Desert Scape stackable mugs. The design has already been sliced, so there's no overlapping colors. The project uses the 4 transfer sheets included in the Distressed Rustic Infusible Ink box. Each mug has 3 different colors on it. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor. I'm guessing if you're trying to figure out how to layer colors of infusible ink, you're already comfortable using it. So for this video, I'm going to skip how to cut and weed it. But if you need to start with those basics, check out the detailed playlist I've linked in the description of this video. Let's move on to the set in Slice and Set. I sorted which pieces go on which mug using the project picture. With this project, 4 of the cuts have the larger liner that will be the right size and shape to wrap around the mug, holding the design in place and maintaining the relative position of the colors in the design. You need to remove the pieces from the other carrier sheets and place them onto the larger liner. Similar to putting together a puzzle. I enjoy it, not everyone will. Tweezers can be really helpful with this part. You want to line them up and make sure they are securely attached to the carrier sheet. Now that I have all 4 put together on their liners, let's press them. To make sure that I don't skip any steps and that I get everything taken care of, I start by going to Cricut.com/heat guide and select Mug Press, Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet, and Ceramic Mug, and then apply. It gives you a couple of reminders, lets you know what you're going to need. To preheat the mug press, you simply plug it in and press the power button. It takes care of the time and the temperature. While it heats up, we'll prep the mugs. Before you apply the design, you'll want to clean it with a lint roller or a lint-free cloth. You put your design on your mug and wrapping it around, making sure there's no gaps between the mug and the design. If it takes a while to get it lined up properly with no gaps, don't stress about it. This is worth doing right the first time so your finished product can be flawless. I spent 2 minutes working on getting this lined up the way I wanted. If it's not sticking well, use heat-resistant tape. Then you put your mug into the mug press, push the lever down, ensuring that the design is completely covered by the heat plates. If it's not completely covered, it won't apply properly. The lights across here function as a progress bar to let you know when the mug will be ready. The time will depend on the temperature of your room and your mug. When it's complete, it will beep, you'll lift the lever, and use the handle of the mug to remove it. The body of the mug will be hot, so do not touch it until it has cooled down. This one's already coming off, and I'm impatient, so I'm going to peek. You can see that there's some ghosting on this side of the handle. That was user error. I didn't really have it placed quite where it needed to be in the press. Other than that, I think it looks really cool. I'm really happy with how it looks, and I'm excited to see what the other ones look like. That was my last mug for now. I'm going to turn off my mug press and unplug it while it cools and my mugs cool. I love the Infusible ink mugs because they can be hand washed, but they're also dishwasher safe within reason. They are ceramic, they can still break, so be careful. I love how vibrant the colors are. If you think back to before we pressed it, those colors were muted and not amazing, but now they are bright and vibrant and they're not going anywhere. If you want to learn more about Infusible ink, check out this playlist right here. And please consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're notified when I release new videos every week with occasional bonus videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.